Respect is an interesting term, and I find that dance teaches us respect in many different ways that I personally have been thankful for. When we train, we gain respect for our instructors and the knowledge that they are able to pass on. Oftentimes, it's from generation to generation. It's also respect for your fellow dancers and your classmates and how you're able to interact with each other. Dance also teaches us respect for ourselves. When we say reverence at the end of class, that is our way of showing our respect to our fellow dancers and to our instructors. It's the instructor's way of saying thank you to our dancers. Much of what we do revolves around respect. It is a consideration of your fellow dancers and your instructor's time. It's a value of yourself and knowing that you are part of a group, and that kind of segues us into tomorrow when we talk about teamwork. But it gives us a sense of self-esteem. That sense of self-esteem is kind of a challenge to have sometimes if you're having a rough day, but it all comes back to the fact that you have respect, and it comes back to the fact that you're able to apply that in other areas. When you are in school, you're going to have more value of the instructors that you're working with. Usually then you have more value of the material at hand that you're learning about. Respect translates into other aspects of your life and how you relate with others. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about accountability. I will see you then.